All right, guys. Naisha said she wants to go fishing. So what are we doing?
Going fishing.
Going fishing.
We're going to the Revalos near Air Francis. Revalos.
We picked up the day home lady's son. Woo woo. That's Kashton back there. And he's coming fishing with us.
Again.
All right, guys, we just got to the lake and these guys really want to go fishing, so we're here and we're gonna enjoy. We got our seatbelts off and we're about to head on. So basically the position that I'm in right now, I'm basing it all off a pin. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully I can get these kids on some fish, even if they're just small micros. The setup is gonna be, I'm gonna set up the whole tent and shack first before I get these kids out, just because I don't want them getting sick. I have tiles, I'm gonna put those down, so stay tuned. So we're here now. We're in the ice shack. It is super warm. You're hot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay, Naisha? You warm?
Yes.
Yeah. There's definitely fish down there. We're in about 7 feet of water. And Naisha is down and Kashton's about to go down here shortly too. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
Are you about to go up?
I'm about to go down to, oh, that's you. Can you push the button again, Naisha?
Oh, yes.
Reel it in?
Feel it?
Reel it in a little bit more.
Okay.
Stop there.
You're going in my hole, and I'm going to see you're in my hole.
Yeah.
And I got the kids on some tungsten jigs here. And let's see what their luck is like. I'm excited.
You're doing good job, Cash.
All right, Kashton with the first catch. Good job, buddy.
Good
Thank
job,
you.
Kashton. See, I can brush. See, I can
There you go.
brush.
Good job.
Good job,
Is he
Kashton.
still there?
Nope, you went down.
You went down? Okay. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
First fish, nice.
Just want to get out.
Kashton is so focused on his fishing right now. He's looking over the hole. He wants to catch another fish. Naisha lost interest like 2 seconds in. So, yeah, we're fishing. We're here. Right now, I'm just trying to get this on my tip up so that way I can leave this outside. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Revalos YouTube channel. My name is Francis. I like making videos and sharing my experiences. Today we're on a lake because the kids wanted to get out and go fishing, so we're here and we'll see what today brings. Kashton's had better luck than all of us. Oh! You okay?
Here, Naisha, come here. Naisha, come here.
Oh, shoot. I thought I had a bite too. Dang it. So down there, it's a bed of weeds. Oh, there's fish. There's a perch. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, Naisha, you got a fish. Naisha, here. Reel it in. Reel it in. Oh, I lost him, I think. Oh, no. Oh, no, I lost him. Oh, put it back down. Put it back down. Don't worry, we'll get him again. That is too funny. It was at this point I realized I neglected my daughter a little bit too much, so Kashton took over the camera. What? Oh, can you hit enter? You're caught. Nice.
Another one. Stop flopping out.
Kashton with another catch.
You want to throw it down the hole? Oh.
Hold your hands like that.
Hold your hand down flat.
Like that. You gotta hold your hands flat.
Yeah.
Two hands, two hands.
Two hands, two hands. Okay, we're gonna put them down the hole quick. Whoa. Okay.
Good job, Kashton. Share with Kashton, okay? Got another one?
Yep.
Wow! Kashton, number 3.
Number 3. No way.
Yeah, way.
Yeah, way.
No way.
Should whip his tail.
Kashton has the camera over there, and every time he sees it, he's just like, oh, You're getting so excited. It's awesome having the camera.
What?
Man, these little perchies are fun. Hey? You good?
I can't get this one out.
Here, on my way. Let out some line.
Swim down, little buddy.
Like that.
Will you swim away?
Yep.
Good job, Kashton. That's number 3.
Hair. You put water on my hair.
There you go.
I'm really adamant in trying to get a fish on Aisha's rod here.
See you, buddy.
I copied you, Dad.
I copied you, Daddy.
Oh, that's copying you. Yeah, copy daddy.
Yeah, copy Daddy.
How dare you?
How dare you?
You're not doing what I'm doing.
You're
Point my
not doing
finger.
what I'm doing.
I was pointing my finger
I'm
at
pointing
her.
my finger.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't.
You did
Yeah,
finish.
you did it.
No, you.
You didn't
You
finish.
did it.
You didn't
You
finish.
did it.
You didn't
You
finish.
did it.
What I was saying.
Daughters duo suck. They're so mean.
No way.
No way.
Yes way.
Yes Well, we went out fishing and Kashton was the only one that got on fish. Naisha and I are both skunked, but hey, I mean, this is what it's for.
Copy daddy.
Copy Daddy. It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
All right, we're all packed up, and basically you want to leave your site better than when you found it. And yeah, we are moseying on out. Again, Naisha and I were skunked, but Kashton caught 3 fish, so that's awesome. Just buckled up Naisha. Check that out. Anyway guys, I hope you guys liked that video, and I promised these kids some McDonald's, so we're headed that way. If you guys liked that video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you like content just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon for more notifications from the Revalos. Thank you guys for watching.